Got another short update here. Just got my panels. I'm sure you can see it, but that's my tailgate panel. I painted it the maroon color, and also did the quarter panels in the back as well. I'm pretty sure my interior is complete. The only thing I'm missing is the rear pillars for the back glass, and that's about it. But she's looking good. And also, she's in the ground. Got the transmission installed. And the shifter's installed too. I'll just leave it open. Oh. I did, however, sell my 4.3. It's no longer there. I sold it today. But now I got some more walking room. But there she is. There's the shifter right there. I'm not sure you can see that, but yeah, it works. I'm gonna put the pedals on soon, but it's just coming all nicely. Let's look underneath if we can see. There's the transmission, my G-force cross member. Lined up using the transmission mount off of the same off of the S10 and the Blazer 2-wheel drive, and it fits perfectly because it's offset. What I do is cut the stud off on the center, and the extra holes just tap to 7/16 by 14th, and everything bolted up real good. I will be doing the wiring, but I'm gonna wait until I get every piece of the interior needed so I can start doing it. Until next time, I'll continue to keep you guys posted. Thanks.